Hey guys, I ran out of storage last video. I was trying to make a video, but now I'm at a different house, and here's my trainer butterfly knife. Not real, homemade. Not real trainer butterfly knife. And any plushie I brought here, just ate Nutty Buddies. I don't really know. I just downloaded Superliminal. If you don't know what that is, you can go ahead and check. Watch people play it. But I want this video to be as long as possible. But I don't really know any ideas. I was just gonna tell you about this. Next video, I'll have more ideas and stuff. Instead of just thinking about them right now. Oh yeah, and did you guys know there's barbecue Doritos? Did you guys know that they made those? And slushy cereal. Tastes really good if you follow the instructions. Also, if you make it homemade like this one, right here, then even if you're a kid and you break it, or accidentally, or this accidentally comes, any of these handles accidentally come off, in the wooden part, you can just push it and put it back in, The little clampers. Yum, 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 yum. These are the only tricks I know. This, and just gotta do that. I'm getting the real one. I'll make another video about it. But anyways, see you guys later. Probably put this in video editor. Peace out. Peace out.